After 60 hours trapped, a woman is pulled alive from the wreckage of a collapsed hotel in Myanmar. 3 days since a magnitude 7.7 earthquake struck the country's second largest city, Mandalay, rescuers are racing to locate survivors within the critical 72-hour window, as the chances after that are significantly reduced. At least 1,700 people have been confirmed dead, and there are fears that that toll will rise significantly, with the Red Cross saying the devastation here is the worst seen in Asia in more than 100 years.
Many homes have been destroyed, road and bridge damaged. Many children and families are still missing and traumatized. We need urgent assistance, especially for the children, who often suffer the most in these kinds of situations.
The international community has heeded that call, with rescue teams from China and Russia assisting on the ground. And emergency supplies and millions of dollars in aid coming in from across the globe. But it is yet to reach all the impacted areas. In a country already battered by civil war and poorly equipped to deal with such a large-scale disaster, residents are joining in the effort, digging with their bare hands. But rescue efforts are being hindered by powerful aftershocks. And there have also been reports that the military junta, which seized power in a coup 4 years ago, continued to launch airstrikes, despite opposition forces declaring a unilateral 2-week ceasefire. In neighbouring Thailand, the urgency also is palpable. Rescue teams are searching through the rubble of a collapsed building in Bangkok for survivors. 11 of the 18 people confirmed dead in Thailand were pulled from this building.
คือตอนนี้ทีมก็พยายามจะหาคนช่วยคนที่ยังมีชีวิตรอดอยู่เพราะว่าภายในเวลา72 ชั่วโมงเนี่ยเราจะพยายามช่วยคนที่มีชีวิตก่อนพวกอาวุธเรื่องรถไมคโครอะไรยังต้องเพราะว่าบางทีเวลาไปช่วยอะไรอาจจะมีผลกระทบเราต้องช่วยให้หมาให้คนเนี่ยดำเนินการช่วยก่อน
76 people are still missing beneath the debris. US military have joined the effort there, but as the window to find survivors closes, those waiting here are preparing for the worst. Dolphine, Chen and Rosie Grenenger for TaiwanPlus.